Bermuda, the Atlantic Jewel of Financial Excellence by Dr. Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. Situated in the North Atlantic Ocean, Bermuda is not just famous for its pink sandy beaches and turquoise waters. This British overseas territory has carved a niche for itself as a premier global hub for finance, especially in insurance and reinsurance sectors. Its sophisticated regulatory framework, strategic location, and commitment to transparency have bolstered its appeal to international businesses and investors. Let's uncover the financial prowess of Bermuda. Banking landscape. Diverse and robust, Bermuda's banking sector is a mix of local and international banks that provide retail, corporate, and investment banking services. Regulatory oversight. The Bermuda Monetary Authority, BMA, is the principal regulator, emphasizing stability, integrity, and transparency in the financial sector. Currency. The Bermudian dollar, BMD, is pegged to the US dollar, promoting stability and fostering ease in international transactions. Offshore services. Reinsurance hub. Bermuda is globally recognized as the world's third-largest reinsurance center, behind New York and London. International business companies, IBCs. Bermuda's IBCs are known for their regulatory compliance, flexibility, and favorable tax regime. Trust services. With its sophisticated legal framework, Bermuda is a preferred destination for setting up trusts, catering to wealth management and estate planning needs. Investment funds. The jurisdiction has established itself as a preferred domicile for hedge funds, mutual funds, and private equity funds. Challenges and considerations. Global compliance. As a member of the OECD, Bermuda is committed to global tax standards, which requires businesses to be diligent about compliance. Economic dependence. Though diversified, Bermuda heavily relies on its financial services sector and tourism. Efforts to further diversify the economy are ongoing. Why choose Bermuda? World-class regulatory environment. Bermuda's regulatory standards are in line with global best practices, making it a trusted jurisdiction. Tax neutrality. Bermuda does not levy VAT, capital gains tax, or value-added tax, making it financially attractive. Geographic advantage. Its location between North America and Europe gives it a strategic advantage for businesses targeting both markets. Conclusion. Bermuda, while renowned for its scenic beauty, is equally significant in the world of finance. Its blend of a robust regulatory framework, strategic location, and pro-business environment positions it as a compelling choice for global finance endeavors. Prospective businesses and individuals are advised to liaise with local experts to make the most of the opportunities Bermuda offers.